Guys, silent please, guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning.
How do you feel today?
So
very
right now.
Yes. How's your holiday, by the way?
It was really great, Miss.
Oh my goodness, that's so
I think
I'm very excited.
I like my holiday.
Okay. And maybe before we start our lesson today, better if we start with pray together. So, leader of the class, can you lead the prayer?
Yes, Miss. Before us today, let's pray together to our God. Begin. Pray enough.
Okay, thank you so much, SB. So, to continue our agenda today, I want to take your attendance first. So, if I call your name, please raise your hand and answer me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, the first one is Dania Nabila Bayu Putri.
Present.
Hi, Dania.
Hi, Miss.
And Intan.
Present.
Okay, you look so pretty today.
Miss.
Yeah. And Putri Citra.
Present, Miss.
Halo, Citra. And Ciara Kana.
Present, Miss.
Hi, Ciara.
Hello, Miss.
Atika Anisato.
Present, Miss.
I like your glasses, Atika.
Thank you.
And Muhammad Charis.
Present, Miss.
Halo, Charis.
Yeah, Miss.
And Nadita Vera.
Present, Miss.
Hi, Nadita.
Hello.
And then Sania Zahwa.
Present.
Hi, you look so excited today.
Thank you, Miss.
And the last one is B.
Present, Miss.
Okay, hello, leader of the class.
Okay.
Atika, why you look so sleepy today?
I'm so sorry, Miss. I'm very tired because I just arrived in home from vacation in Korea, so I'm very tired. But that's why I still focus in our class.
Okay, it must be so tired, Atika. Okay, guys, let's wake up. Let's move. Do you remember our cheers in previous meetings?
Yes,
Okay, let's do it right now. Are you ready for P6?
Yes,
we
are.
Sing hard, let's learn, and never stop. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, before we learn so far, I want to ask you, who can remind me about the material that we learned in previous meetings?
Can I, Miss?
Yes.
In the previous meeting, we have learned about a fluid density.
Okay, fluid density. And who can give the example about those materials?
Can I give examples?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. The example like an oil and then water and then honey.
Mm-hmm.
The three types of fluid have different density, such as water and oil. They don't mix up together because the water have a higher density than oil.
Okay, thank you guys. So you haven't forget it. So today we are going to learn about the topic that still relate with it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Before that, I want to ask you something. Have you ever been scuba diving or even deep sea diving?
Yes. I have, Miss.
Oh,
Me too.
oh, you too.
I have Miss.
Oh,
But just a
few times.
Oh, just a few
I
times.
cannot swim, miss.
You cannot swim.
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
god.
afraid of that, miss. So I don't have experience.
Oh, you don't have experience. Okay. And then what did you feel when you dive deeper at the oceans? Did your ears hurt at a certain depth or something? Yes, miss. My ears were really hurt. It felt like there was a buzzing sound inside. Hey, that buzzing sound.
Yes, absolutely right, miss.
Okay, and then sing.
No, miss.
Oh no, miss.
No, miss.
Okay. And then why does that happen?
Maybe the water goes into the ears. miss.
Got into your ears.
Yes.
Maybe because of it cover, miss.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about the topic that relate with the phenomenon. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I have a phenomenon that relate with topic today. So this is the submarine that sinks during the dive. So let's see this video.
Wow.
This is amazing.
What's happening?
Scary.
That's
I'm
scary.
afraid.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Huh?
What's happening?
Okay.
Yes. Oh my god.
Yes,
Me? Okay guys, based from the video that you just watched, who can guess what we're going to learn today? Yes, Tiara? Thank you, Miss. From the phenomenon video that we have been seeing, I think today we're going to learn about the hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure?
Yes, miss. That's correct.
Okay. So you guys right. We are going to learn about the hydrostatic pressures today, and you must to remember and know about the 3 points. That is about the learning objective, about what we're going to do today, and the last one is the assessment of skill. Okay?
Okay.
So, and then here's the learning objective. Maybe Sania, can you help me to read the learning objective?
Okay, miss.
Yes.
Learning objective. First, students are able to apply the basic concept of hydrostatic pressure in daily life correctly. Second, students are able to observe hydrostatic pressure phenomena in their surroundings accurately. Third, students are able to conduct experiments related to hydrostatic pressure appropriately. And the last one, students are able to analyze the factors that affect hydrostatic pressure accurately, miss.
Okay, thank you so much, Sania. So that is the learning objective. And here, the second one is what we do. What we going to do today. So today, we are going to using the online simulations. And that's called PET. So I will divide you into the several groups to work the worksheets. And then you will using the PET. And the second one is you will record the data obtained to your worksheet. And the last one is you are going to present your result of your simulation at the front of the class. Is everything clear?
So
Okay.
clear.
Okay. And the last one is the assessment of today's learning. So here you can design the practicum and you have to analyze the data and then writing a report correctly. And here I will give the average score here and the value here. Is everything clear?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start our lesson, I want you to do the pre-test. Please prepare your phone, your laptop, or your notes, or your stationery.
Okay.
So you can scan this code to access the pre-test. If you have any problems, just tell me.
What means?
Yet, Miss.
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet.
Miss,
Yes.
I have problem.
What problems, Isbi?
My connection, Miss.
What's wrong with your connections?
Delay.
Oh, you can using the school Wi-Fi.
What is the password?
The password is international_school.
Okay.
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 Thank you, Miss.
Yes. Okay, one more. Okay, is everything here? So I will start. 3, 2, 1. Do it honestly, okay, guys?
Okay, Miss.
Are you guys done?
Yes. Awesome, Miss.
Okay, so we're going to look your results. So from the result that, as you can see, some has understand but some didn't understand yet, and that is okay because today we are going to learn about it together. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So I have pictures about the phenomenon that relate with our topic today. So here is I have two pictures. Maybe the first pictures. Chintra, can you help me to describe about the first picture?
Maybe the first picture show several rivers at different depth below the sea surface, Miss.
Okay. And the second pictures maybe Intan, can you help me to read the second picture?
Okay, Miss. The second picture is a person floating on the water surface.
Okay, thank you. Nadita.
Yes, I have a question, Miss.
Mhm.
And then my question is why the pressure at the deeper tips different with the divers at the lower tips?
Oh, okay. That's your questions. Yes, Sania.
I wanna ask also, Miss, what a reason allow a person to float off the surface of the water without a sinking?
Okay, so you guys have questions, right? So to find the answer, let's start the simulations. So here, before that, I want to divide you into the several groups. So for the group 1 is Dania, Intan, and Citra, and for the group 2 is Ciara, Atika, and Charis. And for the last group, which is its group 3, is Nadita, Sania, and Isbi. You can sit with your group and move it right now, guys. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Isbi.
Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Yes. Asli.
Okay, I just sent the worksheet to your WhatsApp group. You can check your WhatsApp group immediately to access the worksheet. And you can access the pad by scan the code at your WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Okay, first you have to pay attention to the front. So here, you have the several things that you must remember. The first one is you must fill the pool until it's full. How, Miss?
by hold this button and then press it. Okay, press and hold until it's full. Remember to always fill the pool until it's full. Okay, and you have the several variables that you can manipulate it. It is the first one is depth, where you can using the ruler or grid to measure the depth. You can also using the ruler and using the depth, using the grid to measure the depth. Okay?
Okay.
And also you have the fluid density where you can manipulate it. It is you can using the gasoline or water, or even you can using the honey. And here's the gravity. Okay? Is everything clear? Okay. Based from the information that you have read and the additional information that you just got, what problem statement you come up with?
Maybe from group 1 have 10 Miss. Based on our discussion before, the problem statement is how the density can affect Miss.
Oh, how the density can affect. Anyone else maybe? Yes?
From our group 2, we want to add it. The fluid density can also affect the hydrostatic pressure.
Okay, about the fluid density. Anyone else maybe?
No, Miss, I think that's enough.
Okay, and you have the variables that you manipulated, and you also have the formula that you just got, and what the temporary answer? Yes, Intan?
Yes, the greater the depth, the greater the pressure, Miss.
Okay, anyone else?
It also depends on the density of the fluid, Miss.
Okay, maybe group 3?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
The greater the density of the fluid, the smaller of the pressure, Miss.
Okay, so you guys have a lot of answer that different. So to find the real answer, let's start the simulation. Okay, guys?
Okay, Miss.
We have the water like this.
Yeah, and then add the roller,
We add the roll.
and then the grid.
We use already from
Yes.
We can use
This is
roller or grid.
true.
yeah, like this, right? Okay, okay. We add the grid.
Yeah, add the grid. Yeah.
And then
You don't have any ballpen.
oh, like this. We use this.
Oh, Fran,
Like this. Go.
you must to bring your ballpen.
Okay.
Because we manipulate.
Yeah, we manipulate the depth and the fluid.
We use to manipulate.
Yeah, we use.
Here, I will borrow it to you.
Yeah, I will.
Next time, bring your ballpen, okay?
Can I ask Miss? From group 1, we still confused how to measure data accurately. We must to put the roller like this, press in the surface or data this.
So if you want to manipulate data, you can using the grid instantly. Okay. If you want to measure the 0, 1, 2, or even 3 meters,
Oh, just
water.
but if
And
you
the
want to
second, we
measure
use water.
about the
And the
half
TV.
meters,
We use
1.5 meters, you can using the ruler. But remember the precision
We use gas or
between the
water.
ruler and
Okay,
okay,
we use three.
okay, is everything clear?
Thank you, Miss.
Two types.
First, we use water.
See the density.
Okay, okay, okay.
Miss, I have a question.
Is this correct?
Is this correct?
No, guys. Still pay attention when I explain something.
Yeah, of course, Miss.
So you must to fill the pool until it's full.
Oh, like that.
I forget this.
And then you can, can you, yes, and you can using the ruler to measure the depth. You also can using the grid to measure the depth. Yeah, it must to be a precision between the ruler and the tool. Yes, you're right.
Miss, we have done it.
Well done. That's so fast. It's very easy. Oh, it's so easy. And then you must to be quiet, okay?
Yes, Miss.
And we use the pressure like in this, and in this.
Yes.
Or in this too.
In here. In here. In here. Okay.
Three places.
Yeah.
Here, here, and here.
Yes.
Okay, okay, miss.
Anything else maybe? Maybe announce it in the central.
Cocoa, water, and honey.
Okay.
At the ticker.
Okay, in the dust line.
That's right.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can use the pen.
Over 3 times. You can the presentation your result at the front of the class, okay? Pretty sure.
Maybe if the group one.
Yeah. Okay. But you must present your result, okay?
Yes.
The manipulate.
Use the density 1000 years and the hydrostatic pressure.
Guys,
Yes.
you want to try the second experiment?
Are you guys done?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Not yet.
Yeah, wait a minute, miss.
Okay.
Five
Hurry
minutes
up,
again.
guys.
And the honey.
Just like that.
Here. In 1 meter and 2 meters and then 3 meters.
From group 1 is all done. All done. What about group 2? Done.
Yes.
Oh, you're done. What about group 3? Are you done?
Done,
Yeah.
miss.
Okay. So based from the data that you just got, you got a whole data, right? Yes.
Yes, miss.
And also the analyze, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, from the data that you just got, you can present your result of your simulations at the front of the class. Maybe the first group can present your result first. Okay, miss. Okay.
The presentation group one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from group 1 want to present result of our practical.
Okay friends, based on our experiment that we have been done, it can be seen our several data in two tables. In the first table or in the first experiment, we use the water as type of fluid. And as we know, the water have a density around 1000 kg per meter cubic. And also, in the first experiment, we control the gravitational acceleration, that is, have the rate is 9.8 meters per second square. And also, at the last, we control the atmospheric pressure, that is 101.325 Pascal. From our experiment that we have been done, it can be seen in the first table. The depth can affect the hydrostatic pressure, such as when we measure the depth of 1 meter, we have a hydrostatic pressure. It's 112.63 kilopascal. When we measure the depth of 2 meter, we have the hydrostatic pressure is 122.237 kilopascal. And the last, if we measure the depth of 3 meter, we have the hydrostatic pressure 130.527. That means from the table it can be seen that the depth can affect the hydrostatic pressure.
Intan, wait a second. Isbi, can you pay attention to your friends?
Oh yes, miss. I'm so sorry, miss.
Yeah, it's okay. Please pay attention. Okay, guys?
Okay, maybe continue. In the second experiment, we have manipulate of type of liquid, and we control the deep 2 meter, and we manipulate of type liquid. First, we have a gasoline with fluid density 17 kg per meter cubic, we get hydrostatic pressure is 115.150 kilopascal. And we manipulate with water, we have fluid density 1000 kg per meter cubic, we get hydrostatic pressure 121.75 kilopascal. And the last, we have a honey with fluid density 1420. We have hydrostatic pressure 129.370 kilopascal.
Okay.
So, first our data is the deeper deep, the greater is the hydrostatic pressure. And the second, the greater the fluid density, the greater the hydrostatic pressure.
Okay, thank you, group 1. Maybe the other group has a different result.
Our group is
Yes. You can stand up and tell us about your result. From the past experiment that we have been done, we're using the same control variable in the first table, but in 1 meter we get hydrostatic pressure in 130.527 kilopascal, and in the 2 meter we get 122.237 kilopascal, and then in the 3 meter we get the 112.63 kilopascal.
Yes, Miss. It's also seen in the table 2. Can you scroll it? Yes. The second experiment. Yes. We use the same variable control 2 and the manipulate variable 2, but we get hydrostatic pressure in the type of liquid gasoline. We get 115.170 kilopascal. And the water, we get hydrostatic pressure in 121.80 kilopascal, and the last, the honey liquid, we get hydrostatic pressure in 129.250 kilopascals.
Okay.
It can be proven that the more shallow, the greater the intensity in the water, the greater the pressure of the value of water and the fluid. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, group 2. Maybe group 3 can present your result and stand up.
Okay, Miss, thank you for your opportunity.
Yes.
We are from the group 3. I wanna explain to you about our result. Okay, according to our data and our analysis, we agree with the first group. And I'm so sorry, Ciara, we not disagree with your group because when we manipulate the depth of the fluid, we get the higher pressure. And then when we manipulate the type of liquid, we get the higher pressure too. So we not disagree with your group, and then we are disagree with the first group.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, group 3. Because you guys have a different answer and result, maybe the first group can close your presentations.
Okay, Miss.
Maybe enough from group 1. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Okay, based from the presentation that you just delivered, who can give the conclude? Yes?
Can I give a conclude?
Yes?
Okay, thank you. The conclude is the more shallow intensity of the water, the greater of the pressure, and the greater density of the fluid, the higher value of the pressure.
Okay, thank you, Atika. Anyone else maybe?
Yes, Miss.
Yes?
I understand the conclusion. The deeper the density of water, the greater pressure, and the greater pressure, the fluid, the value of the pressure, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much Isbi and Atika. Because you guys have a different answer, I will explain it briefly, the correct one. So, you just did the science investigations to know about the variables that you measure are connected. Dania and Intan, can you pay attention to me?
Yes, sorry, miss.
Okay, so you just using the variables about the fluid density and then the acceleration of gravity, and the last one is depth. Okay, all of those you will get the hydrostatic pressure. Okay, so you already know about the formula that all of those are directly related.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, if you using the highest, the deeper of a depth, you will get the highest pressure, hydrostatic. Okay? And then, also if you using the denser of the fluid density, you will get the highest pressure. So, all of those are directly related. But some of you has correct, but some of you still wrong, and that is okay in the simulations. Maybe because that one group didn't feel the pool until it's full, or maybe that one group measure it was wrong. So next time you must to be careful when you measure something, and you must to pay attention more when I explain something to you. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
And the hydrostatic pressure in real life conditions, it is when you dive deeper at the oceans and you feel your ears are hurt, and that is the hydrostatic pressure. Okay?
Okay.
Is everything clear?
So clear, Miss.
Okay. Up to this point, can any of you give the reflections?
Can I, miss?
Yes.
Thank you for the opportunity, miss. So I realized that the topic we discussed was much deeper than I previously thought. I learned different perspectives, and I feel like these examples are very useful in connecting theory to our life. Overall, it was a meaningful session that gave me a lot to think about. I learned the pressure, depth, and density are directly proportional. That is, the deeper it is, the higher the pressure. So it's like a feeling swimming pool in water. It says the pressure is accurate and affect the hydrostatic pressure.
That's right. Anyone else, maybe? Yes, Tiara?
It was an amazing experiment, and from this experiment I think I can do better to connect from the theory and then in our daily activities such as filling the swimming pool. And then from this experiment we will be more careful next time when we measure something, and we will also learn to do better next time.
That's okay. So you must be careful, okay guys?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss. Okay, I think everyone already understand about today's learning. So I want you to the post test. You can scan this code to do the post test. Please do it honestly, and you only have 3 minutes to do this post test. Okay? Yeah, you already understand. You can. And who has the highest score will be given a gift. It means secret, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Okay.
shocked, miss. I'm shocked.
The participants,
excited.
participants. Seven.
That's right.
Okay, already here. I will start.
Do not see your friend's answer, okay?
Okay.
Do it honestly. Okay, are you guys done? Yes, we have done.
I have done it.
Okay, let's see the result together.
My God.
Good place, guys. So for the
Congratulations.
first, second, and third positions, you can take your gift and move to the front. Okay, guys, let's stand up. Take your gift. Okay. Who in third position?
Me, miss.
Okay, this is for you, Atika.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes. And then the second one is who in the second position? Oh, you. Okay, here's for you. And the first positions is who? Oh, it's Nagita. Okay, you have to take a picture
Okay.
with them.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay.
Thank you.
you.
Okay, you can sit
so
back.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys. It's for you guys.
Congratulations.
Good job, guys. I want to hear the cheers one more time, okay?
Okay.
Let's do it. Are you ready for P6?
Yes, we are.
Think hard, let's learn, and never stop. Good job. Okay, before we end our meeting today, better if we pray together. So, leader of the class, can you lead the prayers?
Yes, miss. After we will ask today, let's pray together to our God. Begin. Pray enough.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. You're doing so much great job today. I think that's all for today. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Let's go home.
This is yours.
Yes, thank you.
That's mine. Give him.